The demand and supply of milk tea in the Philippines is booming. As a matter of fact, the retail prices of the tea market totaled around 3 billion pesos. Until the year 2025, the demand and supply of milk tea in the Philippines is forecasted to reach up 5 billion at retail prices. If you are having a hard time finding the best location for a milk tea business in the Philippines, then maybe you can consider setting up your business from home. By doing this, you can save lots of money because you won't have to lease a commercial space, you won't have to worry about leaving your store every night, and you can work on your business full-time while managing other businesses or working freelance. The capital for a milk tea business in the Philippines depends on how big you want your store to be and what type of recipes you are planning to offer. If you want to start your own milk tea shop from scratch, depending on the size and cost of rent for location, you will need about 30,000 for home front shops with no rent costs, to 300,000 pesos in prime locations in city centers. You can also try to franchise instead of starting your own brand from scratch. As of 2024, some of the milk tea businesses that offer franchising includes Macao Imperial Tea that has a franchise fee of 1.5 million pesos. Gongcha also has a fee of 1.5 million pesos, Serenitia charges 1.7 million pesos and the most expensive franchise fee is Chawtime which goes for 2.5 million pesos. Franchise milk teas usually help you with heavy lifting of staff training and ingredient sourcing. They also offer consultation during the setup period. The expected price to charge for your milk tea should be 80 to 100 peso per cup. Let's say you sell at least 50 cups a day since you are just starting out. At a price of 80 peso you can earn at least PHP 4,000 per day. That's 20,000 per week or 112,000 pesos to 120,000 pesos per month. Of course, don't forget to deduct the expenses you will incur like the additional electricity costs, taxes, and the price of your packaging and other supplies. After you have figured out the demand and supply of milk tea, the best location, the capital needed, the various equipment needed, and the expected daily sales of a milk tea business in the Philippines, it is now time for you to plan a great and foolproof marketing strategy for milk tea business. Utilizing social media channels like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter is definitely the easiest and most cost-effective way to promote your business. If you aren't that tech-savvy and don't know how to create ads on social media, then you can always hire freelancers who can do them for you at an affordable price. We hope that by now, you have gained a deeper understanding of how to start a milk tea business. Remember that money isn't the only investment you're going to have to put in, you will also need to invest your time, a lot of patience, dedication, and perseverance.